Hi. Today we're going to start Lesson 8, and we're going to start with Lesson 8-1 on page 449. And this is actually at the beginning of your new book, the second book that we have for math. Now, we're going to be working with teen numbers, and numbers 11 to 19. And we're going to be using 10 frames, and they're going to ask you to use counters. Now, at school, we would use things like our blocks or little circles that we have. But at home, you can use cereal. So I'm going to use cereal today as my counters, and you can use pieces of cereal or beans or anything little that you have that you can use. So it says use counters and 10 frames to show 15, then 12, then 18. Tell what is the same and different about each number you show. So we're going to fill up one row at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now we're going to start our second 10 frame here. 12, 13, 14, 15. So here we have a 10 and 5 ones for the number 15. Now for 12, I'm going to keep the 10 up there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Here we have the 10 frame and 2 ones. So we have a whole 10 frame and 2 ones. For 18, here we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So we have 1 10 frame and 8 ones. Do you see what's the same? They each have 1 10 frame completely filled in and then some extras. Now, you're going to want to be using these 10 frames for the rest of our unit. So I tore out this page that we can use later. All right, at the top of page 450, it says, look at the numbers and words for 11 through 19. Here you've got all the numbers. It said these numbers are made up of one group of 10, and you'll see that there's ones in the tens column, and some left over. So 11 is one group of 10 with 1 left over. One group of 10 is called 110. The leftovers are called ones. So 17 is 110 and 7 ones. 19 is 110 and 9 ones. Now it says use counters to make each number. Then write each number as 110 and some ones. So 12 we made over here. And we had our 10 full. And then we had, let me see if I can do this quickly. Woohoo! There's our 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then we had 11, 12. So we had 1 10 and 2 ones. So we had 1 10 and 2 ones. 14, I'm going to make it over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's our first 10 frame. And then down here I'm going to start 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14 we write it 110 and 4 ones, and it is 110 and 4 ones. Okay, 15. Here's our 10. And then we have 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 5 ones. All right, so 110 and 5 ones. Looking over here, now I'm going to turn my page back over so we can use this. Number 4 says 16, so let's go ahead and make 16 on this page. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we filled up a 10 frame. And now, how many do you think we'll have to do? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So we had, here's the number 16. It's 110 and 6 ones. Number 5, here they gave us 18 is 1 10 and 8 ones, and they want us actually to write the number. EIGHT is the number 8, and then we put EEN for 18. 13, here's the number, or here's the word, and the number is 110. There's 10, 11, 12, 13. 3 ones. See right here? The 3 ones. 11. So we're going to write the number 11 is 110 and 1 1. 110 and 1 1. Sorry, it's kind of hard for me to show both pages. Here we have 17 is 110 and 7 ones, and they want us to write the number. 7, there's the number 7, and then teen, 17. Number 9, we have 19, so here we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So we have 110 and 9 ones for 19. All right, number 10 says circle the 10s and 1s that match the word shown. So 12. Let's think, how do we write the number 12? Well, over here we have 10 at the top, right? 11, 12. So we have 110. So we can circle 110, and how many ones? 2 ones. So 12 is 110 and 2 ones. 15 is 110. There we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we still have 110 and 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 15, 110, and 5 ones. All right. Let's look on page 452. It says, Jill has 14 buttons and 2 boxes. She puts 10 buttons in 1 box. So here's our 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's the 10 she put in 1 box. How many buttons does Jill put in the other box? Draw counters to solve. So here we have 10 and we need 14. 11, 12, 13, 14. So she has 14 buttons. So 14 is 110 and 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. All right, number 12 is one of those that's going to decide on whatever number you choose. So please do number 12 and then show an adult. Number 13 says match the numbers on the left with the number word on the right. 10 and 7. So we're going to have 17. Here's 17. Here's 5 and 10. So this is 15. 110 and 3 ones. This is 13. 10 and 1. What comes after 10? 11. And 110 and 8 ones is 18. So that one's kind of tricky with the reading. But if you need to see those again, remember they're all up here on page 450. All right. It is now time for you to do the homework page, 453 and 454. When you're done, please turn the video back on and we will check your answers. All right. Now that your answers are done, or that you have done the work, let's go ahead and check. It says each number 11 through 19 has 110 and some ones. Write the number of ones for each number. Then write the number word. So 110, 12 is 110 and 2 ones, and here's the number 12 written out. 16 has 110 and 6 ones, and here's the number written out. This one is a little tougher because you have to remember 11. 110 and 1 1 is 11. All right. Write the missing words and numbers. And again, if you don't remember how to spell one of them, you can look on page 450 at the top. All right, here we have the number 14. Here we have the number 4 and then the teen. 1 10 and 4 ones. Number 2 is 15. 1 10 and 5 ones. Please check and make sure you wrote 15. 19. 1 10 and 9 ones. Please check 19. 13 is 1 10 and 3 ones. Okay, look on the back. Here they want us to spell out 17. So here's the number 7, and then we want teen for 17. Here we have 18. 18 is 1 10 and 8 ones. And now we're just reviewing. We want to know 10 plus what equals 16. So here's our 1 10 plus how many ones? 6. So 10 plus 6 is 16. That's like 1 10 and 6 ones. 12 is what plus 2? Well, here's the 2 ones. I'm sorry, yeah, the 2 ones. What is this one? It's a 10. So 12 is the same thing as 10 plus 2. Number 9. Choose a number from 15 through 19. Again, it's going to depend on what number you chose. Draw a picture to show how to make the number with 10 frames. Write the number and the number word. So I'm going to pick 16. All right, so now, here's one of my 10 frames. Again, it's not beautiful, but I'm going to fill it in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm going to need a second 10 frame. And I'm going to put 6 in this one. So that was 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 1 10, 6 ones for the number 16. Number 10, match the numbers on the left with the number word on the right. 10 and 9, 19. 1 10 and 0 ones, that's going to be the number 10 because you didn't have anything else. 1 10 and 2 ones, that's going to make the 12. 10 and 3, 13. 1 10 and 1 is 11. All right, please take pictures and show your teacher.